Dear students, we'll learn the next exercise in your areas related to circles. That is exercise 12.2. Before learning that, please we'll note down some formulas. We'll note down some formulas. So the formula is if this is a circle and center of the circle, these two are the radius, and this is a theta, arc is there, this is radius, okay, radius, and this is theta. So if it A, B, C, and we keep this is O, okay. So length of the arc, length of the arc AB, arc AB is denoted by like this. So formula is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. See, theta is an angle. What angle you got here? 360 degree total central angle of a circle. 2 pi r is the length of the circle. Length of the circle is nothing but circumference of the circle. So 2 pi r. Then next one is area. Area of the sector OACBO, okay, OACBO. To find out, what you have to do is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So these two formulas you have to keep in mind properly when you work out the next exercise. Along with this, you should know how to find out minor segment and major segment. So if this is a circle, if this is a central angle, this will be a major segment, isn't it? And this will be a minor segment. Larger part is called major segment and smaller part is called minor segment. I hope it is you all do know about it. Segment in a circle is a region bounded by an arc and a chord. Next, sector. This is about segment, and this is sector. About sector to know, see if this is a circle, these are bounded by two radius, right? So this is theta, these two are the radius, OA and OB are the radius, and this is called the, here also we have minor sector and major sector, okay. We have minor sector, upper part is called major sector, this part is called minor sector. So this is what you have to keep in mind mainly. Is it clear? So one more is a quadrant. Quarter we say, right? Quadrant. So if this is a circle and if you do quadrant, what is angle? Angle is a 1/4 of a circular disc. That is, central angle will be 90 degree. So these are the things, major things you have to know about it. Now we will work out the exercise directly. So exercise says unless stated otherwise, use pi is equals to 22/7. Find the area of a sector of a circle with the radius 6 cm if angle of a sector is 60 degree. They have asked to find out area of a sector of a circle. Already I gave formula. Area of a sector of a circle I give, isn't it? So use that formula to solve the problems now. How to solve the problems? What is the formula? Area of the sector. Area of the sector 12.2. First one. Area of sector is equals to, what is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Now what they have given? Radius they have given. How much is the radius? Radius is 6 cm. Angle of a sector is given. Angle is given. What is angle? Angle is nothing but theta. Theta is 60 degree. So we will apply that. Area of a sector is equals to 60 degree divided by 360 degree into, they have not told anything about pi value here, so we'll take it is 22 by 7 into r square, means 6 square. So this will be 0, 0, you can cancel. 6 degree by 6 by 36 degree into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6, because 2 times you have to multiply. So 6 ones are 6 6 are. So 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. You can cancel another 6. So what is left now? 1 into 22 into 6 divided by 7. So you will multiply now. 6 2s are 12, 1 remains. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. So 132 by 7 centimeters square. So what is the answer? Area of a sector is equals to 132 by 7 centimeter square. Now we'll go to the second question. What is the second question is asked? Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Find the area of a quadrant. So we can take same formula. Area of a quadrant is equals to area of a quadrant of a circle is equals to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Since they have asked this one, but what is given you have to see. They have given circumference, isn't it? Circumference is how much? 22 centimeter. Now what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r is equals to 22 centimeter. Now what we can do? You can shift this to other side. You can shift this to the other side. So what you will get? You will get 2 pi r by 2 is equals to 22 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So what is left? Pi r is equals to 11. So you will have pi r is equals to 11. Now you know the value of pi. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. Since they have not told anything, is equals to 11. Now what we can do for this? How can you shift that side? You have to multiply both sides by 7 to cancel 7. Into r is equals to 11 into 7. 7 cancelled. So 22 into r is equal 7 into 11 means 77. Next you have to cancel 22. What we have to do? 22 by 22 into r is equals to 77 by 22. Cancel 22. So what is left? R is equal to 27 by 22. You can cancel this 77 and 22 by which number? 11. 11 7s are 11 2s are. So r is equals to 7 by 2. So now you have got the value of r. Now you have to find out the area of a quadrant. Area of quadrant of a circle. What is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Quadrants means how much? 90 degree by 360 degree into pi is 22 by 7 into r value is 7 by 2 whole square. So this will be 91 0 cancels, 9 1s are 9 4s are. So 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now you can cancel if you can. 7, 7 you can cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So now whatever is left you will write 1 into 11 into 7 divided by 4 into 2. So 1 into 11 is 11. 11 into 7 is 77 divided by 8. This is the answer. 77 by 8 centimeter square is the answer. Next, third one. What is the third one says? The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. See, they have asked to find the area. Okay, that is fine. Now, length of a minute hand of a clock. Clock is in which shape? Almost it is always in a circular shape. The length of that is given. How much it is? 14. So, length means what it comes here? Radius. Radius is how much? 14 centimeter. Now, what they asked to find out? Area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes they asked. It is asked for 5 minutes. So, now we will find out for 1 minute first. Before finding for 5 minutes, we will find out for 1 minute. Before that, we are in need of angles, right? So, how to find out angle? Now, what is the total angle of this circle? It is 360 degree. Now, how many minutes it runs? 1 hour it runs in 60 minutes. So, 60 minutes it has a 360 degree. We will find out for 1 minute how much degree. So, what we have to do? 360 degree divided by 60 degree. So, 36 by 6. It will be 6 degree. That is for 1 minute. 1 minute angle swept by minute hand in 1 minute you have 6 degree. Now, what they have asked to find out? For 1 minute we have 6 degree. For 5 minutes they have asked. For 5 minutes how much? So, what we can do? 5 into 6 degree, that is 5 6 30 degree. This is your angle now. So, angle for 5 minutes how much it is? 30 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degree. Now, apply area formula. What is the area of sector formula? Area of sector is equals to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So, that will be theta is 30 degree by 360 degree into pi value they have not given, take 22 by 7. R value they have given 14 square. So, you can cancel now here. 3 ones are 3 12s are. So, 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. You can cancel. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now, what is left? You will write 1 by 12 1 by 12 into 22 into 2 into 14. So, now 2 and 6 you can cancel. 6 are. So, what you will get again? 1 by 6 into 22 into 1 into 14. So, again you can cancel. 2 3s are 2 11s are. So, 1 into 11 into 1 into 14 by 3. So, you will multiply 11 into 14. Okay. You will multiply. You will get 154 by 3 centimeters square. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.